Begin to shout. Umundibo, Majan, even. Chineke mere gịnị na Chineke emere ka o si eme. Na ụmụaja na egwu ya gacha na Finland bata na efere mkpakpa ga-akpa. In fact, na kịta ka a ga-egosi ga bata na the struggle. I have played that video here, her first broadcast, I still have it. But bringing it here, we somehow interrupt this one. So let me just remind you of what she said there. That all these things that she has been saying and doing in the Biafran movement is nothing to compare you, that it is now that she's out to do what brought her in the movement. One may think, okay, yeah, she's okay, yeah, right on, that you are doing good, okay, let's hear what that thing that brought you in the struggle. Let us know. No, yeah, Adadora mma. Na oge nke repụrụ ego niile obuli ego niile ori na mee ife niile o mere without any proof though. Chiamaka jere o ji wee n'ọnwa kpọrọ uye mmadụ napụ mmadụ uye n'ike. This is all the thing that she told us. That everybody Chiamaka jere couldn't even ịtụwa ya ime na nwa mụrụ bụ nwa onye ọzọ n'ọkpụ ya gba ọsọ. Not that kind of thing. Very deep allegation. That's unforgivable. She was telling us those stories, making us to believe that what she's saying is the truth. And some people somehow believe that. She started telling you all the imaginable stories. Building, in the name of building USB. In the name of, which is wrong. Because you cannot bring something that you never exist and act as if that thing exists simply because you want to achieve something. That is exactly what PM is trying to point out here. People that are good in building something, then they will turn around to destroy that in just in the seconds. Maybe because of minor disagreement, that simply means that you are building all those things for what you want to get, not because of the sake of that thing that you claim that you are building it for. But you want to make people to put their mind in together with what you are doing, as if that thing you are doing is for the good of the people. Now she never care about you. She don't care about your feelings. She don't care about how you react when she returns 360. So from day one, it is all about what she will get, how she will advance herself, how she will promote herself, what she want to achieve, nothing more. Now let's continue. That's from PM. Listen.
So once the devil possesses you and you are going to be acting as a tool to destroy what you have done in the past, we will show you the exit door. If you repent, you will come. And if you don't repent, you remain there. Everybody is a Biafra, but not everybody will be part of the liberation of Biafra to the end. And I've constantly warned about this.
Exactly what I said is done on our live broadcast. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve? What exactly made you? What exactly do you want? When you start listening to Master Mekano, PM, okay, you decide to join, become a member, okay, somehow you find your way to become a minister or cabinet member or a coordinator as you used to call, all of a sudden, you are there. Your name is being published everywhere. Your voice somehow mattered. People are not talking about you. People are not seeing you as somebody that is, people cannot listen to you. What exactly do you want? Do you join because you want to be famous? Are you talking about Biafra because you want to make money? You want people to somehow help you, bank into you, or to trust you and contribute money in your hand, then you run away with it like some people have done in the past. Everybody have their own intention and their intent, which you don't know. You can see people's face. Can you see their mind? Can you see what they're thinking about? You can't, isn't it? Then, until you see. But sometimes you need to, use their action and their way to judge what they may do. Now, PM understand those things. But somehow, miraculously, he chose to give her benefit of that and allow her to do what she wanted to do. Now, let's continue because